Yeah, I'm on it. I'm on it. It's coming around the tree. I'm on it.
Woo! Give some. Bam. Just knocked another one down. We got set up here. It's almost mid-January. Heard a rumor that these females were going into heat. We started some predator stress. This coyote came down over the hill, got in a clump of trees and just disappeared. We cycled through some predator stress and she didn't come out. Hit pup stress and she came out going wide, looked like she was going to go downwind. We stopped her, put a shot on her. It wasn't a horrible shot, but with the angle, it made it a little worse. So we put another one in her to finish it off. And I got down there, sure enough, she's in heat, so looks like breeding sounds are going to be our top method right now.